To fix the Bosch Dishwasher E29 error code, you first need to understand what it means. The E29 error code indicates a problem with the dishwasher's water inlet system, specifically a faulty or blocked water inlet valve. Start by checking the water supply to ensure it is turned on and the inlet hoses are not kinked or blocked. Next, inspect the water inlet valve for any signs of damage or mineral buildup. If you find any blockages or damage, clean or replace the valve as needed. If the issue persists, check the dishwasher's filter and clean it if necessary. A clogged filter can prevent water from flowing into the dishwasher, triggering the E29 error code. You should also check the dishwasher's drain hose to ensure it is not kinked or blocked. A blocked drain hose can cause water to flow back into the dishwasher, triggering the error code. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to replace the water inlet valve or have a professional diagnose and repair the problem. Regular maintenance such as checking and cleaning the filter and drain hose can help prevent the E29 error code from occurring in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue causing the Bosch Dishwasher E29 error code, getting your dishwasher up and running again. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions and precautions when performing repairs on your dishwasher.